Buongiorno beautiful people, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you along with me while I do my meal prep for the week. It's going to be nice and easy. I'm going to do 3 recipes. One with mince, another with chicken, and then my lunches lately have been with tuna. But of course you can substitute anything I do for something else, so you can do the vegan options or the vegan version or whatever I'm using. So yeah, I think these recipes are pretty versatile and adaptable to your needs. In terms of time, it literally takes around 10 minutes to prep the ingredients. And then the mince recipe is just a matter of putting the ingredients in the pot in a certain order and then leaving it to simmer for however long you like, depending on how much flavor you want to add. Then the chicken is literally the amount of time of cooking it in the oven, which is around 20 minutes. So at the same time of that, I will do as well the veggie and the rice. And then for the tuna salad, it's literally just the amount of time to cook the pasta. So as you will see, this is a really quick prep. For the mince and the chicken, it's gonna do around 6 portions, which is perfect for around 3 days for a couple, or almost the whole week for a person. If you don't like to leave the food in the fridge for too long, you can absolutely put it in a Tupperware that can be freezed, and then you can put it in the microwave and store it for longer. So yeah, it's going to be pretty easy. I think we're gonna be done, me personally, in an hour. Obviously it's going to be speed up for you, but yeah, it's going to be really quick. So if you like these recipes, if you try them at home, then please let me know. If you have any other ingredients you would like to use, or maybe alternative ways to cook this type of meats, or maybe having a more fishy meals, then please let me know, so I will do another video about it. So yeah, if you like it, then please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and without further ado, let's get cooking. Now for the easy pot chili, you're just going to need a large onion, some garlic, 1 or 2 bell peppers. Then you're going to have obviously around 750 grams of mince. I personally like to use a 5% fat mince, just to keep the fat macronutrients a little bit down. As well, in terms of spices, I like to add 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of mild chili powder, 1 teaspoon of dried marjoram, I think it's pronounced, I'm not really sure. Then as well a can of red kidney beans. I personally like to use the one that is already in the chili sauce, just to add a little bit of flavor, but it really doesn't matter. I've done it with the normal kidney beans and it's completely fine. 1 or 2 cans of chopped tomatoes. And as well, really funny, but I saw a recipe where it added a teaspoon of sugar, and to be fair, it did make a difference, so I do that. And then to serve, I like to do a little bit of lime and cilantro. And then obviously I can eat it with some steamed veg, or with some rice, or both, or whatever I have with me. So I like to divide the chili in 6 portions, and each portion is around 340 calories with 33 grams of protein, 24 grams of carbs, and 11.5 grams of fat. And obviously you have to then add whether you're eating it with rice or veggies or whatever else you added it to. So in terms of the chicken, what I like to do is first marinate it with some spices and a little bit of yogurt, just to keep the chicken from drying out. So lately what I've been using is dried oregano, dried onion powder, garlic, paprika, and then I also like to use a little bit of salt and pepper. And then I will add some yogurt, and I make sure to massage the chicken throughout. It's a little bit disgusting. I don't have any gloves with me today, but yeah, just massage the sausage throughout and just stick it in the oven for around 25 minutes at 200-degree fan. And then in the meantime that the chicken cooks, I like to boil my rice, obviously according to the direction of the package. And around half time from the rice being cooked, I like to add some veggies, which could be broccoli, broccoli stems, zucchini, whatever you have with you, and I just like to put it together with the rice so that they can finish cooking together and sort of the vitamins and the flavors just get mixed up together. For the chicken, I don't have more Tupperwares, so I'm just gonna put it in one big Tupperware, but I usually eat around 1 chicken breast a day, especially my partner. So yes, I just put it on in one big Tupperware and then we just heat it up as we go, although I don't usually cook the rice for over 3 days. So here I just did 3 portions, and then whenever we need more, I just cook more. For the tuna pasta, it's literally a matter of boiling the pasta. So I like to use the high protein penne from Tesco just because, yeah, it's an extra source of protein and they're really good and they seem to have good macros for me personally. So I like to use that, and then it's literally just a matter of assembling the things for the salad. So personally I like to use some mixed leaf salad. Sometimes I add some spinach. I also like some sweet corn, onion, some balsamic vinegar. I can add some cherry tomatoes even though I don't have them today. And then I also like to add some chili flakes, olive oil, salt and pepper. And of course you can change the tuna for the chicken that I just cooked with you, or some prawns or whatever else you like eating, some eggs, it doesn't matter, and just eat it up. So this is it for me. These are my 3 go-to meals when I meal prep. As you've seen, it's really quick and easy. If you do everything together all at once, it shouldn't take more than an hour, which in my opinion is really good, especially because this is 6 days worth of food, but because we're 2, then it's 3 days. But yeah, this is around 18 portion of food that you've seen in this video, so I think it's really good for 1 hour of work. It literally doesn't take any more, and then every single day we can just heat it up, be on the go, bring it with us wherever we go, and it makes our life so much easier. If you try any of these recipes, please let me know. I have left all the recipes in the description box below with all the ingredients, the macros and everything, so hopefully it's going to be straightforward to replicate. And yeah, I really hope you like it. If you did, then please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe, and hopefully I will see you next time. Ciao!